Thank you. Craig Murray. In this brief statement, I will mention just two legal points that are of profound importance in the case of Julian Assange. The first is that at no stage in any of numerous judgments to date has any British judge recognised that the publication of Chelsea Manning's whistleblowing revealed state-level crime by the United States of America of the highest order. The leaks exposed war crimes and other crimes, including murder of civilians, assassination, torture, illegal rendition, drone killings, waterboarding. I could go on, but everybody here knows this. Exposure of state-level crime is the highest form of protected speech, but the UK judiciary has chosen to ignore the question of freedom of speech entirely in its judgments in the Assange case. Secondly, the UK-US extradition treaty of 2007, under which this extradition is being carried out, at Article 4 specifically forbids extradition for a political offence. In legal terms, espionage, which is the charge, is indisputably defined as a pure political offence. But the UK courts have so far ruled specifically that the terms of the treaty do not apply, as they have not been incorporated into UK domestic legislation. To quote exactly, they say it is not justiciable. This is a reflection of the notorious doctrine of the UK courts that they are not bound by international law, not even by treaties signed and ratified by the UK, unless specifically incorporated into domestic law. For example, the UK courts have ruled that the UN Convention on the Rights of the Child confers no rights in the UK. Notably, a judgment of the UK Supreme Court prevented Scotland from incorporating the UN Convention on the Rights of the Child into Scottish domestic law on the grounds it has not been so incorporated by Westminster. So, the Assange extradition proceeds despite the specific bar to political extradition in the very treaty under which the extradition takes place. By not ratifying the first protocol, the UK seeks to avoid scrutiny of its actions. I hope that the Human Rights Committee will not allow that. Thank you.